In order to receive payouts from sponsors, your club will need to add its bank account details. Once this information has been added, MyFavorito will automatically send the money to your club each month. You can keep track of all financial information in the payout section of the dashboard. To add your bank account details, hover over Settings in the navigation toolbar and click Payout from the drop-down menu. Now you are going to click on the Connect with Stripe button and enter the information for the official representative for the club, so we can create a Stripe account for them. Enter their full name, date of birth, and address, and click Save. Now you are connected with our payment provider. Now you can add your bank account details, your name, and account number. The account number can be an IBAN or European account, or an account from any other country. In some instances, your identity may need to be verified and you may be asked to provide a photo of your ID to complete this process. Finally, we are going to add an invoice address. We will use this address on the credit notes that we send to you. Every payout transaction generates a PDF document with your credit note and your address on it. Also provide an email address that we can send the credit notes to. Credit notes can also be accessed in the payout section of the dashboard. And that's it! Your club is now ready to receive payouts.